Hello everyone, I'm Alla Livadne. I'm an executive coach accredited by ICF and European Mentoring and Coaching Council. I work with clients through my company, Growth Associates, which helps organizations and individuals build resilience and sustain high performance. I've been coaching leaders for more than 15 years and helping them to clarify goals and create actionable plans to achieve them. And I'm absolutely delighted to have an opportunity to support powerful women in their work to advance gender diversity and inclusion in the UK energy sector and to take part in this year annual conference on the 15th of November. During this conference, I will be running a workshop where we will explore the role of psychological flexibility in improving performance. We face uncertainty in today's fast-paced world, which affects our decisions and emotions, and life is full of ups and downs, and how we handle those low moments can determine what we can achieve. That's where psychological flexibility comes in. During the workshop, we will explore various forms of performance, including how to navigate life challenges with ease and confidence, how to improve decision confidence, how to overcome avoidance behavior, and how to focus on the goals, and how to cultivate better relationships. This workshop is for everybody who seeks to advance their careers, enhance their performance, and avoid burnout. By attending, you will gain valuable insights, practical skills, and techniques to enhance your psychological flexibility. You will also develop strategies for managing uncertainty, improving decision confidence, and moving forward towards your goals. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you at my workshop on the 15th of November. Alternatively, if you would like to explore more how I can support you in your journey, please get in touch. See you on the 15th.